Hello everyone, today I'm bringing you an AudioEase tutorial. Click New Project in the top left corner and select Single Track Project to create one. In the new Single Track Project, click the Record button to start recording. Click the Record button again to stop recording. Press Ctrl+Z to undo the last action. Click and drag with the mouse to create a new selection. Press Delete to remove the selected content. In the top left corner, there are also Apple and Mix modes to choose from. Now, to demonstrate noise reduction, first drag to select a noise sample, then click Effect. Noise reduction to apply noise reduction. After finishing all operations, go to File, Export, adjust the export format, and finally export the file. The empty multi-track project comes with one audio track. Press R to arm it as a recording track. Press R again to disarm it. The M and S buttons are the mute and solo functions for the track, respectively. Users can also import MIDI files for preview. Double-click the MIDI track to open the piano roll window. After editing the audio, users can save the project in IP format via File, Save Project. The features are still being continuously updated. Feel free to download and try it out.